What if your Android phone is telling secrets to someone you don't know? Let's uncover the hidden world of Android hackers. Imagine your smartphone, your closest tech companion, turning against you. Hackers exploit vulnerabilities in Android systems, often starting with phishing attacks. They send seemingly innocent links or apps that, once clicked, deploy malicious software. Next, they elevate their privileges to gain deeper access to the device, bypassing security and harvesting data like contacts, emails, and even bank details. Using tools like keyloggers, they can track every tap you make, capturing passwords and sensitive information. But it's not just about stealing data. Hackers can turn on cameras and microphones to spy on their targets, turning personal devices into real-time surveillance tools. Scary, isn't it? So, how do we stay safe? First, always update your software to patch known vulnerabilities. Be wary of unknown links or downloads. And most importantly, use reputable security apps to guard against these covert intrusions. Stay vigilant and keep your digital life secure. Because in the world of Android hacking, it's not just about knowing the tricks, it's about staying a step ahead.